Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: 2 compatible locomotives, wagons linked, and Autobond toggled on in settings. Once done, assign a primary crew member with bond skill level 2 or higher so the system recognizes eligibility. This matters because the algorithm checks skill thresholds before forming bonds. Make sure your train is in a safe, non-combat zone so automatic routines run uninterrupted. If the train is active, pause or park it. This prevents conflicts when the bonding sequence begins. You now execute the bonding. Park the train at a station or safe tile and wait roughly 10 seconds to let background checks finish. Next, open the crew UI, pick your primary bond candidate, and hit Initiate Auto Bond. This triggers the pairing routine that verifies compatibility, morale, and skill thresholds. Stay on the screen to watch the progress bar. If the secondary doesn't accept within about 15 seconds, cancel and retry with a different candidate, because timed handshakes often fail under lag or busy servers. Finalize by checking the crew panel for the bond icon and the applied bonus stats. You should see immediate increases in cohesion or efficiency, depending on the game rules. If the bond doesn't appear, first relog or switch to a less crowded server instance. Network hiccups cause most silent failures. If that still fails, swap in a backup crew member with at least bond skill 1 and retry. This often works because different characters may pass compatibility checks the primary failed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.